You're a hit from Universe 6, right?
That's right.
For my proud universe and my fellow troopers.
What's happening?
It appears your confidence isn't just for show now, is it?
Careful, my lord. Getting upset will raise your blood pressure.
What's worse, that clod looks like Beerus! Not like those nitties with their high cheekbones and chisel jaw!
They really are a formidable bunch, aren't they?
That's what I'd expect from Hit the Assassin. Yes, I can do it briefly. How does that dashing and gifted warrior time his attack to the exact... Lowering your guard? You are a cocky man.
It's the sound. Whenever I engage my time skip.
You'll lose. There's just no way to get around it. Every time somebody moves their muscle. Tough talk, but can you back it up?
He's avoiding any critical attacks. In fact, this may even be part of his strategy.
Looks like you're the one with nowhere to run. What now?
He shifted his body to another dimension to avoid Dyspo's attack.
Sure, fine. You hear that?
Suit yourselves.
What?
Wait a minute. What are you doing, Goku?
I saw those guys had you backed into a corner. And you know, it made me itch for a fight too.
While still expending far less energy than he would have to with Super Saiyan Blue.
Fighters from twin universes teaming up, huh?
But I've got my own tricks, silly rabbit.
Man, how did he already know what I was gonna do?
Goku's using his brain for a change.
Impressive.
If you think it's just trash, go ahead and touch it.
Let me guess. It'll explode. I don't need to get near you.
What was that?
That's the same technique that Hit used to stop Goku's heart when they fought.
And they're not gonna get pushed out so easily.
Oh, you faked me out pretending you were about to time skip and then countered my light bullet attack?
Careful, Goku. He's surrounded by traps.
Doesn't matter.
Wait, that time you did use the time skip.
I did.
It's thrown that Dyspo guy completely off his game now.
If you can't stand, I'll help you up.
These pride troopers don't know the...
Pain